Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Today, I will show teachers how to use Edpuzzle step by step. First, create an account using your school email and password. The account setup takes about 5 minutes and requires basic profile details. Next, make a class in Edpuzzle and name it for your course roster. You can import a roster using CSV or Google Classroom in one step. Set class settings like late submissions allowed and time limits. You will complete these 3 initial steps before assigning your first video lesson. After class setup, find or upload a video into Edpuzzle for your lesson. You can search YouTube, Vimeo, or upload MP4 files from your computer. The video editor allows trimming, cropping, and voiceover in roughly 10 minutes of work. Add interactive questions such as multiple choice, open answer, and audio notes for student engagement. Use the 3 question types to check comprehension every few minutes of video. Save your edited video and set deadline, attempts, and grade options before assigning. Assign your video to 1 or more classes with a clear due date and time. Choose grading options and set the assignment weight as a percentage of the course grade. Students watch videos and answer embedded questions for an automatic grade report. Review student progress in the analytics dashboard with completion rates and average scores per question. Export grades to Google Classroom or download a CSV for your gradebook in under 5 minutes. Use feedback comments to guide student remediation efficiently and plan targeted reteach lessons.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.